Thank you. Bye.
What's good, YouTube? Phyllis J back for another video, and as you can see from the title, we're doing another Omegle video. We're doing trying to pull girls without talking. So if you guys enjoyed this, hopefully you guys do. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, so when I post more videos like this, you guys just know. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Let's get into this.
Dude, has anyone told you you look like Vinny Harvey? I'm just fucking with you. I like your do-rag. You... Instagram?
Shit, that's just too easy. No, that shit is too easy.
Can you give me an honest opinion on one of these beats I made? Bet. Alright, tell me if it's good or bad.
2,000 years later.
Hey. Oh! Thank you, bro.
GD.
What do you want me to do? Words, please? Instagram? Okay.
So you don't got Snap?
I don't use Snap.
Cap.
My phone? My Instagram? You want my Instagram? Got you. Do the heart again. Do this heart again.
My heart is ass. How old are you?
I'm 13.
Hi. No. Instagram? Instagram. Yes. Yeah. Tú escríbelo. You, right? Your Instagram. Okay. Okay. No. Espera. Thank you. Bye.
Bye, have a great time.
Gang, hell, you hell. I got bills, I got shells. Shoot a nigga up cause I ain't worried about shit. Diamonds on my neck and on my wrist. I got lots of perkies on me. Shit, you a 10 with a 10, tryna win, tryna grin at the devil. Bitch, I am a rebel, I don't give a fuck. Talking all that shit, little bitch, then I pull up and shoot you up. Hey, yeah, know my mind hella corrupt. I get to